In the heart of the city, there's this apartment, right? But it ain't all luxury. It's like a mini jungle because Maya's all about those green vibes. She's got more plants than furniture, and her laptop's a window to the green energy world. Maya, she's on a mission to make a real change. So, one day, Maya stumbles upon this game changer, a green energy startup that's about to flip the script. Without hesitation, she takes $5,000 from her hard-earned stash and invests it in this epic venture. But let me keep it real, y'all. Every hero's journey's got its ups and downs. Maya's investment takes a dive, starting at $4,000. Bills start piling up, and there are moments when she can't even afford the basics. Doubts creep in, but Maya's like, nah, I'm all in on this mission. She decides to check out the startup's HQ, and there she meets this lit team, all grinding like crazy to make a positive dent. Their energy reignites Maya's spark, but she knows the struggle is real. Time rolls by, and the startup faces its share of hurdles. Maya's got to make tough choices, like cutting back on expenses, even missing out on important things she used to enjoy. But then comes the game changer, a solar panel so dope it's about to flip the green energy game. Maya's investment starts to pop, reaching $15,000. Months turn into years, and the startup's hustle pays off big time. They score a mega deal to provide solar panels for a massive community project. Maya's investment skyrockets to 100 grand, and she realizes her choice ain't just about the money, it's about leaving a legacy. 2 years deep into this epic journey, the startup's innovations hit the global stage. Maya's initial investment blows up to a jaw-dropping $1 million. She looks back, from doubter to boss, from skeptic to believer. As Maya's lit story wraps up, she leaves us with a truth bomb, that even in the face of doubt and struggle, believing in something and going all in can lead to unreal victories. Her journey shows us that investing in a cause you're passionate about isn't just about gains. It's about making the world a better place. Maya's legacy lives on as a reminder that every small step toward a brighter future can create massive change, even when the struggle is real. Unlocking the power of positivity, a guide to personal growth. Every day we face a battle within our minds. It's a constant tug of war between negativity and embracing the invincible power of positivity. Which side do you align with? If Maya's story of growth and resilience inspires you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting stories. And don't forget to visit setahu.io, where your investment can contribute to a sustainable and prosperous future. Together, let's invest in a greener tomorrow. In the heart of